Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I am so excited. I want to share with you today a sneak peek of the July Sweet Creations Club. We're going to be making some really fun projects using supplies or products from the Happy Forest Friends Suite. So I just wanted to share with you what the projects look like. Now, if you are part of my Sweet Creations Club, you know there is nothing that you need to do. You're already set and you're going to receive your project kit in July. If you're not part of my club, then I will tell you here shortly how you can join. So let me share with you first the projects that will be part of the project kit that you'll be making. You're gonna be making 3 cards, a little storybook. I'm sorry, that was a card. And then you have here another little fun fold card. This one has a little pouch, to put a gift card or a little note. And here's the storybook that I was talking about. I just love this little storybook. With these little critters, I just felt like they looked like storybook characters and they needed their own little book. So just really simple little album book to make. And then also too, a fun little treat pouch with some little berry and little berry and walnut treats in there for you. So, and also too, the pouch is food safe. So I love that. Now, if you are not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, what it is it is a monthly subscription club where you receive about $20 in new product to use in your projects. It also too includes packet of pre-cut project supplies that you'll want to be able to put those your projects together. Now, there will be some pieces that you will need to stamp and cut. So you will want to own the bundle for the month, or you can always substitute with products that you already have. So the products that you will need in order to complete the projects as I have designed them are products from the Happy Forest Friends Suite. And that includes the Happier Than Happy bundle with the stamp set and the dies. Now, I always recommend that you go ahead and you purchase the bundle so that you can save that 10% as opposed to purchasing them separately. Now, as far as inks, really simple inks this month. You only need 2 inks, and that is Calypso Coral and the Soft Suede. Now, if you have similar colors, you can substitute those out as well. Also, too, some adhesives that I recommend are Stampin Dimensionals to be able to pop up those fun little elements, some mini glue dots, and either a tape or a liquid glue. Now, to be able to subscribe to my Sweet Creations Club, you can hop down into the post here and grab that link. Now, I do offer a few non-subscription 1-month clubs so you can try out to see what a kit looks like. The cost for either one is $39 to have it shipped to you. And like I said, it includes that $20 in new product, the project kit, PDF tutorial, and of course, then the shipping with tracking. Now each month, my subscription window is from the 6th of the month through the 5th. So if you're wanting to get the Happy Forest Friends project kit, then you will need to make sure that you sign up by July 5th. And the project kits will mail by July 15th. So guys, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I am looking forward to sending you out this fun project kit. Take care. Bye, guys.